Hi, this is Mark from Lockspedia. So in this video what we are going to see is we are going to see different parts of Mortise lock. So I have laid out all the parts here for you. So let me just start with the lock assembly, the Mortise lock. So this is how a Mortise lock looks like. This goes into the door, so a pocket needs to be cut around 6 to 8 inches, and this goes inside deep into the door. This is the spring latch, which does not require any key to lock. You just pull the door and it will get latched. This is the dead bolt, which comes along with the Mortise lock. Now this is a spindle. What does spindle do is spindle goes in here and then it connects both the either door knobs or lever handles together for better operation. This is a lever handle. You could also get a door knob or a thumb turn to operate with the Mortise locks. In this product we have door levers, and these are pretty heavy. These are very heavy. This thing is called the strike plate, which goes on to the other side of the door where this latch will fit into. As you can see, this is very flimsy, so if I apply enough pressure it will get bent easily. So this is not a good product in that sense. If you see, this thing is called the face plate, which attaches the Mortise lock, and it is sort of a decorative plate which comes on the edge of the door. Along with the Mortise lock you get a skeleton key whereby you operate the lock. It gets operated like this. So this gets extended into the strike plate on the other side of the door, and if you just release it, this will retract, right? So these are the different parts of the Mortise lock. Hope you would have enjoyed the video. In one of the next videos what I'll do is I'll open the Mortise lock assembly, and then I'll show you the actual lock cylinder inside this lock. Okay, thank you so much.